Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to AppIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to run diagnostics on your Android or Samsung phone. So do a swipe up, go to your settings, then you want to scroll all the way down to where you find device care, tap on that. Now from here, scroll all the way down to where you find diagnostics. You want to tap on that. Keep in mind, guys, that if you're opening this feature for the first time, you might need to accept some terms and condition and some approval before you enter the diagnostics options. Now, as you can see, you have many options here. You can run a phone diagnostics, you can run app battery usage diagnostics, and you can even do app safety diagnostics. So you can choose whichever option you want to proceed with, and all you have to do, just tap on that and it will go ahead and test all of these for you. So you can open up each of them and you can see what it looks like, and you can always go ahead and run whatever diagnostics you want, and it will basically do that for you. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.